Hello. Welcome to Learn English with Stories. Today, you will meet our main character. His name is Tom. Tom is a boy. He is 10 years old. Tom is friendly and curious. He likes to learn new things. Tom lives in a small town. He lives with his mother and father. Tom has a small room. In his room there is a bed, a desk, and many books. Tom likes to read. He also likes animals. His favorite animal is a dog. Every morning, Tom wakes up at 7 o'clock. He eats breakfast with his family. Tom likes eggs and toast. After breakfast, Tom goes to school. He goes to school by bus. The bus is yellow. Tom sits near the window. He likes to look outside. Tom has a friend. Her name is Anna. Anna is in the same class. Tom and Anna like to play in the park. Sometimes they ride bikes. Sometimes they play with a ball. They laugh a lot. Tom likes adventures. Sometimes funny things happen to him. Sometimes he meets new friends. Sometimes he helps people. In the next stories, you will see Tom at school, Tom in the park, Tom and a dog, Tom on the bus, and many more adventures. Thank you for listening.